Welcome to Best Buy Report. The Best Remarkable Pen is probably one of the most crucial accessories for your digital note-taking experience. It's the bridge between your thoughts and the screen, the tool that transforms ideas into tangible notes and sketches. But what happens when your trusty pen starts to wear down? Today, we're diving into the world of remarkable pen replacements, exploring the best options to keep your creativity flowing. Number 5. V-Pen EMR Stylus for Remarkable 2 and more. Introducing the V-Pen EMR Stylus, a perfect replacement for your Remarkable 2 pen. This stylus offers a seamless writing experience, making it ideal for note-taking and sketching. This stylus is compatible with a wide range of devices, including Remarkable 1 and 2, Microsoft Surface Pro, and Kindle Scribe. You don't need to pair it, just start using it right away. Experience the feel of pen on paper with 4096 pressure sensitivity levels. The V-Pen delivers precise control, allowing you to write and draw naturally. Thanks to advanced EMR technology, you can rest your palm on the screen without unwanted marks. Write with confidence, knowing only the pen will be detected. Forget about charging. This pen is powered by electromagnetic resonance, EMR, for uninterrupted use. Enjoy continuous precision, creativity, and productivity. Easily correct mistakes with the built-in digital eraser. This user-friendly feature ensures your digital writing and drawing remain flawless. The V-Pen comes with a 1-year warranty covering any technical defects. This ensures your peace of mind, knowing that you are covered. What we like. This pen works seamlessly with a variety of devices, making it incredibly versatile. It offers a natural writing feel with its 4096 pressure levels. If you are looking for a pen that works across multiple devices and offers a natural writing experience with an eraser, you should consider this. What people say. It writes as well as the original, with a similar size and heft. Customer service is incredibly responsive and eager to help. The sensitivity on the tablet is really good, the rubber works perfectly and the magnetic holder holds the pen against the tablet in a secure manner. Number 4. Remarkable 2 Marker Pen Stylus Tips, 9-pack. These replacement tips are designed specifically for the Remarkable 2. They ensure that your device works flawlessly, providing a seamless writing experience. Each of the 9 tips offers exceptional precision. This allows the pen to glide smoothly across the Remarkable tablet's surface, giving you complete control. These nibs are built to last, resisting wear and tear even with extensive use. They are the perfect accessories for your Remarkable 2, ensuring longevity. Experience improved control and fluidity with these tips. They enhance your drawing and writing, allowing you to create without any issues. Replacing your old tips is quick and easy. You can swap them out without any hassle, allowing you to get back to your creative work immediately. What we like. These replacement tips are designed specifically for the Remarkable 2, ensuring a perfect fit and optimal performance. They provide unparalleled precision and control, making your writing experience smooth and accurate. If you like the feel of the original Remarkable 2 pen and need long-lasting tips, you should consider this. What people say. Great replacement. Item is the same though, original nibs. These have the best feel. Number 3. EMR Stylus Pen for Remarkable 2 and EMR devices. This is a versatile stylus pen designed for EMR devices. It offers a seamless writing experience, making it perfect for digital note-taking and drawing. The pen utilizes EMR technology, which means it interacts with your device's screen without needing to be charged. It offers precise tracking and is ready to use right away. The pen features a convenient eraser at the top for easy corrections. This allows you to quickly fix any mistakes, ensuring your work is always polished. You can rest your hand naturally on the screen thanks to palm rejection. The pen also offers 4096 levels of pressure sensitivity, giving you greater control over your strokes. The tilt function allows you to create shadows and add depth to your drawings. This makes your artwork more natural and visually appealing. The package includes replaceable tips, including durable titanium alloy metal nibs. This ensures the pen will last a long time and provide a smooth writing experience. This pen is compatible with a wide range of EMR devices, including Remarkable 2, Wacom drawing tablets, and Onyx devices. Please check the description for a full list of compatible models. What we like. This pen utilizes advanced EMR technology for precise and lag-free writing. It includes a convenient digital eraser for easy corrections and supports palm rejection, allowing you to rest your hand comfortably. If you are a digital artist or note-taker who values precision, palm rejection, and tilt support, you should consider this. What people say. It writes and erases just like the original $129 one. It is like plastic, not heavy metal, and does not have a magnet but instead has a pocket clip, which is an advantage as the heavy metal one is always getting knocked off the Remarkable 2, temporarily lost and then forgotten. Writing quality is impressive, very similar to the OEM product. Number 2. EMR Stylus Pen Tip Set for Remarkable Kindle. These replacement EMR Stylus pen nibs are compatible with Remarkable marker pens and Kindle Scribe pens. They work seamlessly with your devices. You can enjoy a smooth writing experience. Experience writing without any delay with 4096 levels of pressure sensitivity. This feature makes it feel like you're writing on real paper. The pen nibs respond to every stroke. Made from wear-resistant materials, these pen tips are built to last. You won't need to replace them frequently. They are durable and reliable. Replacing the pen nibs is simple with the included removal tool. You can quickly swap out the old nibs for new ones. It's a hassle-free process. The package includes 10 Stylus pen nibs and a pen tip removal tool. Please note that the Stylus pen itself is not included. Everything you need is right here. What we like. These replacement nibs are compatible with Remarkable markers and offer 4096 levels of pressure sensitivity for a fluent writing experience. The included tool makes installation a breeze. If you need a simple and affordable way to refresh your Remarkable pen, you should consider this. What people say. Work just as good as the original one. This pen works perfect on my Remarkable tablet. It is smooth and chunky and feels very nice in my hand when using it. It lays down your mark right when you touch the screen and not before, which is really important to me when I need accuracy. I feel like it does a great job of palm rejection when using, but no pen like this is perfect and there is a tiny bit of bleed through from my hand. I have used this device for 2 weeks now with very heavy use and the nib shows no signs of wear at all. In addition to being excellent for drawing and writing, it is a great stylus pen to use for playing games and manipulating objects during this use. Tapping and double tapping during gameplay are very well executed and have a low failure rate. If you are looking for either a true writing drawing pen, S-Pen substitute for gameplay, or a hybrid device that can perform well at either, this is a great pen. Number 1. BOOX Stylus Pen Replacement for Note Air 4C. This is a replacement stylus pen designed for BOOX tablets. It's compatible with models like the Note Air 4C and Tablet Go Color 7. This pen offers a great writing experience. It provides a writing experience that feels like pen and paper. You can easily create both fine lines and bold letters with this pen, making it perfect for any task. The pen supports 4096 levels of pressure sensitivity. This allows you to create lines of varying thickness, adding depth and texture to your drawings and notes. The ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip, even during extended use. This feature helps reduce hand fatigue, making it ideal for long note-taking or creative sessions. The package includes one stylus pen. It's a great replacement or spare for your BOOX tablet, ensuring you always have a reliable writing tool. What we like. This pen is designed specifically for BOOX tablets, offering a smooth writing experience that mimics pen and paper. It supports 4096 levels of pressure sensitivity, allowing for varied line thickness. If you are a BOOX tablet user looking for a comfortable pen, you should consider this. What people say. Though it lacks the magnetic system to stick it to the Remarkable device, it is otherwise more responsive and versatile for writing on the device. It also has a pocket clip, a feature not included on most others. Handles fine line perfectly. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.